Hi, we continue our series about property tours where we cover condominiums on the specific Soi. And today we will cover Sukhumvit Soi 33, that is a Soi located between BTS Phrom Phong and BTS Asok. Some people consider it as Phrom Phong and some people consider it as Asok. We will not argue about this. I will ask Kun Win Win to prepare a market data for Sukhumvit Soi 33, and specifically I will ask him to compare it to another Soi in Bangkok Business Center, so that our customers will be able to make will be able to make decision based on some interesting market data. Oh, hi, Soi 33. Yeah, it's an interesting Soi actually. It's a Soi that was a hotspot for everyone who is looking for parties, for music. People like to enjoy. And yes, in recent time there were some renovations. It became a bit quieter. When you asked me to compare Soi 33 with some another Soi, I was thinking about this and I decided to compare it with Soi 19. Why did I do so? First of all, they are located in the same odd side of the Sukhumvit Road. Soi 19 is close to BTS Asok, while Soi 33 is closer to BTS Phrom Phong. There are about the same number of condominiums on the both Sois. It's 5 condominiums in Soi 19, it's only 6 in Soi 33, and very interesting that in both these streets there are 2 noble projects that were just completed last year that make it even more similar. So if I'm talking about Soi 33, this Soi has 6 condominiums, and as I said, there are more than 770 units on this Soi, and average condominium age is 13.2 years, while in Soi 19 condominiums are 2 years older. What is also interesting that based on price per square meter, Soi 33 is a bit more expensive, while the average unit price is a bit higher in Soi 19, means units in Soi 19 are bigger. You can see comparison data on the screen, and I think it's an interesting format to compare 2 Sois between each other. If you like it, please let us know. Please contact us. See contact details here on the screen. Send us your feedback, ask questions. If you want to buy a condo in Soi 19 or Soi 33, please feel free to contact Win and Remax CondoDee. We have a good choice for both older and new units in both of these streets. Enjoy our video. Bye.